Hello, fellow residents of Niles. I bring this update to you about the village reopening amid the COVID-19 pandemic and an update on recent events in the country and how they relate to Niles. Village reopening. The Village of Niles is pleased to announce that the Village Hall and Niles Public Works will begin reopening to the public on Monday, June 15, 2020. They'll begin with a soft opening schedule, open until noon each day, Monday through Friday. New safety precautions are in place at village facilities. Visitors to the Village Hall will find increased signage, social distancing floor markers, stanchions and barriers to organize lines as individuals wait for services, plexiglass shields between employees and residents at front counters, and hand sanitizer stations throughout the building. Visitors and employees must wear a face covering. Public meetings will continue to take place remotely. The Niles Senior Center will remain closed and all in-house programs suspended through August. The Niles Teen Center will begin hosting weekly virtual activities, challenges, and interactive games, as well as outdoor summer events and competitions throughout the coming months and in compliance with social distancing guidelines. The Niles Family Fitness Center will begin phased reopenings on June 29, 2020, depending on the state of Illinois moving into Phase 4. The Niles Police Department and Niles Fire Department remain open to the public. Misinformation. Misinformation has never been as rampant as it is now. To maintain calm and protect the sense of community that draws people to Niles, we must work together to stop the spread of inaccuracies. Don't be too fast to share information you cannot personally vouch for. When we are scared, our emotions can get the better of us. Check the source of your material. When you find misinformation, try to correct it or fact-check it with research. As always, the Village of Niles is a resource for our residents. I strongly urge all residents to go to official village information sources to obtain reliable, accurate, and timely information about current events and significant situations, especially as it relates to the Village of Niles. You can visit us on our website or social media. You can watch Niles TV. Also, everyone in the village should register for emergency alerts on our website if they haven't already. Finally, during specific times of unrest or uncertainty, you can call the police department non-emergency number to ask about rumors or incidents happening in our town. COVID-19 update. As of June 11, 2020, there have been 799 confirmed COVID-19 cases in Niles, with 113 deaths reported. Age ranging from individuals in their teens to 80 years old and over. As the governor continues to ease restrictions throughout Illinois regarding COVID-19, Niles continues to see a daily reduction in the number of positive cases and deaths. While there are still new cases each day, the stay-at-home order has clearly flattened the curve and reduced the negative impact from COVID-19. The emergency orders declared by both the governor and local elected officials have significantly reduced the number of illnesses and deaths that could have impacted our communities. By maintaining social distancing and other safety measures like wearing a mask, Niles residents will continue to reduce the number of COVID-19 tests that come back positive. Police law enforcement update. I know that many folks have reached out to me asking me to look into use of excessive force by the Niles Police Department. Permit me here to say what I've said many times in the past 10 weeks, namely that the Village of Niles has one of the best police departments in the state of Illinois, and it continues to get better under the leadership of Chief Louis Tegera. Nevertheless, I've ordered a complete review of the Niles Police Department's policies regarding use of force, and in particular, the use of the chokehold in the extreme. Chief Tegera will make a complete report to the board and the people of Niles at our regular June board meeting, June 23rd. In the meantime, I want the people of Niles to know unabashedly that our police force is there for you to serve and protect. We have a great group of public servants. Thank you for your time, and I hope you stay well. Please look at this last 10 weeks of COVID-19 as an experience, perhaps even one that you'll remember in a positive way. Thank you.